Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how we can download and install IntelliJ for free. So the very first step is that just go on Google and type download IntelliJ and then press enter. After that, click on the first link and there are two versions. One is the ultimate and the another one is the community edition. So just scroll down and go to community edition and click on download. So as you can see that the download has started, so it will take some time. Let's wait for that. Also, we use IntelliJ mostly for Java related things. So if you are someone who is starting with Java, then I would recommend IntelliJ to you guys. And if you want to know how you can set the Java, how you can download Java, then I have made a video on download on the steps to download and install Java in Windows 11. But the operating system does not matter at all. Here also I am using Windows 11, but it has nothing to do with the operating system. Okay, we will go to the folder where it is downloaded. Okay, it's still in progress, I believe. So let's refresh this page. Okay, yeah, just double click on it, click on yes, click on next, click on next. So if you want to create a desktop shortcut, then select this one. And I would recommend to select this one as well. And then you just click next, click install. So the installation has started. It will take some time, so let's wait till then. Okay, so now we will have to reboot it. So you can just select the reboot now and then click on finish. So I will resume this video after restarting my system. So I have restarted my system and here is the shortcut. Also, I can search IntelliJ in the search bar and I can click open. Okay, so if you do not want to import anything, then just select this one and then click on OK. So just wait, it will start. Okay, so this has started. Now you can start working with it. Okay, let me show you. We can create a new project. So it is detecting JDK. So you need some Java or JDK in your system. So for me, I have installed JDK 17. And if you also want to install, then I would suggest to go and watch the video that I have made on in setting up JDK. Just give it some name, like let's say I'm giving it a name with test, and you can decide the location where you want to keep it. So I'm just keeping it at this location only inside D drive. So you can choose any location, click on OK, and just keep it blank. Select the language. So Java build system will be IntelliJ. If you want sample code, then you can keep this one. Then click on create. So here is our first project. So as you can see, it has created a sample code for us. So as you can see, there are some processes which are running in the background. So let it complete first, and then we can get started. So now everything is complete, and we can, write any program or anything. So let's run it. Okay, so as you can see, we got the output. So yeah, this is working fine. The IntelliJ is working fine now. So yeah, that's all. And please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.